And it is not one, it is not two, but almost 20 of them in here. This little box. So let's see what is inside this box. In this box we have 3 of the truck, the front loader, forklift and dump truck. So this is for 3+ years old. If you are not 3 years old, no, don't play it. Okay, this is on the back. It is made in China. So if you are not China, do not play it. Take it out. Wow, so beautiful. This green truck looks so nice. And let's hear the sound of it. Ooh. Ooh. Front loader. From the left side, the back is made out of plastic or rubber. Ooh, so beautiful. Green front loader. Yes. Now let's test it. Ooh. Yes. This front loader looks so beautiful. And see the other two. And this is we call a forklift. Yes, a forklift. So you can lift the stuff or some box in here. Lift it. And this one is made out of plastic as well, or rubber as well. So light and beautiful. This is the forklift. Lift this car. Forklift. And the last one is the dump truck. It's so beautiful and the same colors as you can see, green and red. And this model is 707 train. Okay, his name is Train. Yes, so nice. so you can lift it up too. So let's test it out. Now lift it. Oh, it's wow. That truck looks so nice and beautiful. Okay, so this is for box number 1. Wow, another truck. 3 of them. It's same color. The green color. Yes, we have the excavator, the cement mixer, and road roller. So let's check it out. Wow. So this is from box number 2. We have the excavator, the cement mixer, and the last one is the road roller. So let's see how can this excavator can do. Oh, it looks like a skeleton. Excavator, the green, so you can move too. Yes, you can move it 360. And this is the wheel. It's not here, it's under here. So let's test it. That's it for the skeleton excavator. Cement mixer, same model, 707 trend. You can mix the cement in here. See, this is from the front, on the left side, the back side, and the right side. Yes. They are made from rubber. That's it for the last one, the road roller. Yes. View. The wheels working. This is working as well, and the same color. So let's test it. It worked. Yes. This is for the road roller. police car. Wow.
Wow. Whew, 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 whew.
If you're wondering, this is the US 66 cop's car. As you can see, the black. This is from the back side. Wow. Let's see how it looks. Oh wow. Let's take it out. Wow. The cop's car. Oh wow. Looks so beautiful with the black colors. This is on the right side. As you can see. So you can open the window. Oh. And both sides. Yes. Looks so nice. And this is the bottom of the car. As you can see, from the front, like a pickup. This is the pickup one. And over here we have a police. Yes, this is the police car. And boom, it's wheel. Okay, and there is the last one. It is a motorbike.
Wow.
Yes, a motorbike. This looks so beautiful. This is using for racing. Use this for racing. Yes, the model can't read this, but it is metal, so it's hard and it's heavy. Wow, the scale is 1/12, so it is this big. And yes, let's open the box. Motorbike. So this motorbike. Let's see. Let's take it out. Wow, the red color. Oh wow, this is so beautiful, and it's steady. As you can see, it has 4 wheels. Oh wow. And the detail is the wheel is actually made from rubber, so this one working well on the road. And the same to the front. And look, there is a bit, you can turn it a bit. And this is the mirror, but it's not the mirror. It's not mirror here. And let's put this out. Let's see what is going to happen if I put it out. Okay, it's nothing. Let's see. And this one is working. The extra wheel. Let's go. Oh,